and see how it works. So that way when the big dogs come hunting, or I try to, you know, hunt after them, hopefully I don't have to hunt after them, they come to me, then I will know exactly what I'm doing and I'll have enough practice.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown Sugar. See, we be making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy, the way that we...
Alright, what's up my beautiful YouTube family? It is Candace Simply Create. If you are new here, guys, I need you to go ahead and hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you can know when I am posting my newest uploads. And if you are a returning subscriber, guys, so all my people, what's up, y'all? We here. So yes, guys, let's talk about it. Let's get into it. So I changed the scenery, guys. I'm outside. I figured y'all might hear a little nature. I hear the birds and stuff, the flies, and I ain't gonna be out here for too long, but today is a good day. Like, the weather is nice. It's not cold, it's not too hot, I'm not sweating. And why this bird is yapping oh, I think it might be a nest in the tree. I don't know, guys. So I'm just gonna try to get through this video a little bit quickly before this bird be yapping all through up and through my video. So yes, I did a thing, guys. This is something I've never done before, so you guys are going to be taking this journey with me. I've been kind of doing a little bit of research here and there, so I'm just taking it step by step. So as you guys know, I am a part of the Amazon influencer program, and I'm approved for on-site commissions. Been that way since earlier this year. So a part of the Amazon influencer programs and the on-site commission, guys, there is another program that Amazon will invite you to. I think it's invite only, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know if you can choose to join or what, but you can opt in or opt out, and I think they give you like a certain amount of time for you to opt in. If you don't, I don't know how that works. Anyways, I went on ahead and opted in like a while ago, and it's called the Creator Connection Program, and it's where if you want to be a part of other brands that they have on there, you want to be a part of their campaigns that they might be trying to get like more brand awareness to their brands, to their designs, or their whatever their product they're trying to sell. You can do like other like product reviews for the actual brands themselves. So it's like pretty much putting you with the brands and kind of taking out the middleman, but not really, because Amazon still is like, no, we right here, okay, we not going nowhere. So I am a part of that program. Well, guys, I decided to go ahead and take the leap, okay, because of my other channel, which I always tell you about, is a beauty channel. So I'm like, I like beauty stuff and I like baby stuff, because hello, I have a baby and I have a kid, so I like that type of stuff. So I decided to do my very first pitch brand, guys, and send out an actual pitch brand. Now I didn't do a lot because I don't want to do a lot of free stuff. Even though this still is not free, I will still get technically a commission off of these products once I make my reviews. But these are like a couple of brands that I actually want to work with. Like, I actually want to like see what their product is talking about, basically. So I'm kind of testing out the waters, and I feel like right now I need to do it while I'm small and see how it works. So that way when the big dogs come hunting, or I try to, you know, hunt after them, hopefully I don't have to hunt after them, they come to me, then I will know exactly what I'm doing and I'll have enough practice. So I'm going to be doing a couple of product reviews. So I sent out, like I said, I sent out a few of them, and I'm so excited that I actually had a brand reach back, well, actually two brands reach back out to me. And I'll tell you guys real quickly what I actually said in my pitch brand, and I will put this down in my description box below as well, so that if you want to use it, feel free. Let me find it. Okay guys, and I would definitely suggest, like, if you are doing pitch brands, I've watched a bunch of videos and done some research, and everybody was saying do not go to the DMs. Like, some people say, oh, just slide in their DMs. No, if you really want to be on their PR list, pretty much Google and email who is the PR person, and even if they don't have anything at that time, then they'll definitely, well, hopefully they will put you on a list for later if they like you, clearly. Guys, getting into it, this is my pitch that I use. So I said, hello, I hope this message finds you well. My name is Candace. I'm a beauty and hair content creator who loves to help through tutorials and product reviews. I truly believe my audience and engaged followers through my YouTube channel and subs would love to learn about your brand. Would love to learn about your brand. I would love to collaborate by showcasing your product in my upcoming content. If possible, I would appreciate the opportunity to receive some samples to feature in an upcoming product review. I'm committed to engaging in high quality and engaging content that will highlight the benefits of your product and resonate with my audience. Thank you for considering the collaboration. I look forward to the possibility of working together and sharing the beauty of the brand with my subscribers and followers. Best regards, Candace. So guys, and they reached back out and they said, thank you so much for reaching out and for your interest in collaborating with us. We love to work with you and showcase the brand to your audience. Please sign up for the campaign and let us know, and we'll send out products for you, or send out products to you, so we can so we can send the products out to you. Looking forward to the possibility of working together and sharing the beauty of the brand with your subscribers and followers. Best regards, and she said her name. So yes guys, I'm so excited, so excited. So I'm hoping and praying that this is one of many things, and this will help me get the practice that I need to, like, do more brand pitches, because guys, I want those sponsorships, and I want those brand deals. So, and I've heard, like, they can be, you can charge by your YouTube channel size or your TikTok size, your followers, and you could charge by post, by reel, by story, and by full video or half a video. And I think if you get the product for free, you're not obligated to do a review. That's up to you. But since I am pitching to them and I do want practice, I'm gonna do the video. So yeah, I think that is a great way to just kind of get my feet wet. Like I said, I'm definitely gonna be charging and not just commissions in the future. Why everything, see, y'all hear the horn? I'm trying to do a whole video. Thank you. Okay, anyways, so yes guys, I just had to share that news with you guys. I said I'm gonna put that same pitch that I use, I'm going to put that in my bio, so not bio but my description box. So if you guys want to use that, you can tailor it to whoever you're pitching to, and it's good for practice, very good for practice. And yeah, so now guys, I need to be coming up with a media kit because I need to be ready. Okay, so that's going to be the next thing we're probably going to talk about in one of our, probably either not next week or the week after. So yes guys, whoop, 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 whoop. I'm excited. Anyways, thank you guys for tuning in, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.